I just got a call from my FFL that my new Rascal Target is in, so I'm getting ready to go pick it up. All right, en route to EJ Firearms. It's kind of out off the beaten path here. EJI Firearms, straight ahead. That is it. There's actually a range here, but it's only like 50 meters. I am at EJI Firearms, ready to buy my little Rascal. Let's go. Back range right there. And here's a little shop here. Coming up here.
This is basically the one they did the cutout for the optics. Right. So, and they have an audio.
She is right out of the package here. I'm going to use, and there's the range. I'm going to try to shoot at that target down there, but I'm going to go ahead and put a target so I can see what my shot number will be like. I'm only going to fire 7 rounds. I fired a couple already. Okay, well, I was gotta get that in there, and then I'll take a shot. But I don't have the proper equipment. Well, let's go take a look. Boy, that thing was off. Yeah. Oh, okay, well, the sight is down and low. So I've got adjustments to make. Got to do some adjustments later, but it does work. Okay, well, we got it home. So time to take it out to the shed in the backyard. I built this in 2009 after I designed it myself. And there you have it. Now I'm going to leave this down here tonight, the box. I'm going to take this upstairs. There, I just added my sticker for yet another firearm, a Savavage Rascal. Okay, here we go. We'll take a look at it a little more in depth.